I can't because I don't have her.
Do you feel that? That's emotional. Has anybody ever told you how Tommy died?
No.
We were married for 3 years and 5 days, and I loved him. But for the last couple months, I just wasn't at all. I just felt like we were so different.
He's with his eyes open too.
Some of it was one night after dinner, we drove to Victoria's Secret and got some lingerie to get something bought. And on the way back, we stopped on 76.
It's gonna be a great video.